Hey everybody, it's Robin with Homesteading with Sadie. So today I was on my way out to the garden. I'm on my way out to the garden and I see there's a bird up there. But I also noticed that in my trellis where my roses are, I'm scared the dogs are gonna literally do something. There's a bird's nest right there in my trellis. So I'm going to try to set up my tripod. I was going to come out here and weed eat, but I'm going to try to do this first. I set up my tripod and put it on time-lapse and see if we can't capture the bird. So as I'm setting this up, I just remember that at like 4:30 every day, the sprinkler comes on and it's got to hit this bird's nest. And how long does it take for a bird to create a nest? I mean, do you think this was just one day? I mean, look at it. I don't want to get too close to it. But it's a pretty big nest. So I would think that was a couple days worth of work. I don't know. Now I'm concerned about the sprinkler, but anyway, let me just film it, see if we can capture the bird. I don't think there's no eggs in there, so maybe the bird will decide to change if the sprinkler is too much, but maybe it's not that much for the bird. I don't know, they live in trees and trees get rained on. Anyway, let's record this. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I first started filming. So let's take a look inside this nest. All right, so there's nothing inside the nest yet. I'll keep you updated because it's kind of interesting. I believe that's a female cardinal. Get out the sun. So I'll keep you updated. I believe that's a female cardinal that was in the nest. I was editing this video, and I saw it. Let me know if you think differently, and I'll let you know if I will let you know if there's any eggs in there in the future. So kind of interesting. It's really low. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment on what you think about this, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.